Itamar, can you tell us something about your the path that you followed, your dancing path?
My dance path. We're not talking about the work. Okay, it's
Yes,
mine.
we will.
The dance path I've been, wow. So I think somewhere my age, I think I was also maybe, I think I was dancing all the time, like since very young age, but I do really remember that I was very flexible and movable, and on the age of 7 I think we moved house and I met some neighbors that they were like practicing folklore dance, and then I joined them for once a week dancing, and it was something like nearby my normal childhood routine that everybody went through. And then we moved again, I think, for another house, and then I did a little bit more gymnastics, swimming, and then I found another dance, folklore dance company, so I joined them, but also via people in the school. And then on the age of 16, I went to do ballet because I was dancing in one show from the school, and people asked if I'm doing something with it, about it. It was never occurred to me that I should do. So my parents asked me if I want to go to take dance class,
Ballet class.
ballet class, and that's when I was 16. I discovered this whole different universe. I did some theater before in the school because this is what I had around, and yeah, from there on,
To Batsheva.
it's true. Also, I did some also freelance dancing before, and then the junior company of Batsheva, the ensemble Batsheva, and then Batsheva, and then to Europe and freelance and Iceland dance company and some project in Copenhagen, and then I start to do my studying in choreography, and I'm here
Okay.
vaguely.
When you left Israel,
Yes.
what did you bring with you and what you were looking for and what did you find?
I think there was. I think I took a lot of information that I've been giving to, or I exchange. There was 5 years I worked with the OAD now, and it was great. I was quite young also at that time. I left the company. I was 25. Um, I I took a lot of, yeah. I took everything I think with me except of the company, but I was looking for something else. I was looking to explore some other possibilities or other, yeah, other ideas, other physicality maybe. But I don't think I found something that was satisfying for me as or fulfilling as it used to be with Batsheva. And then I started to look in myself to something. Why are you smiling?
Because critics say that you use a lot of humor in your works.
And I'm laughing a lot while I'm speaking.
So that's so nice.
Makes sense. Yeah, it's true. I think I like, yeah.
And you are here now because you made this site specific for Artesella. How have you worked with this environment?
Um, we've been here a very short time. I came to visit last March. I came for one day to see the environment. It was full of snow, so completely different from what is now. Um, I think I took some time to feel the space a little bit, really to connect with it. I did plan to bring some like kind of baggage, kind of to make sure, or to not to make sure, to be a little bit safe, maybe I would say, and to see. But I was like, I had to choose some places or to choose element that I want to work with, and also to start to work with the element that was a bit screaming. So to find the balance and to find the how to say how to touch the material, because it's like a love material, and immediately when I arrive they tell me, yeah, just prepare, it might be rain, it might be this, be careful with that, see how it is, da da da. We came only like 3 people, and the other people joined us later, so a lot of things I had to, but it's a lot of information to take this space. It's a lot. It's rich. Sometimes it's too strong. Sometimes you put something, and then like the composition of the nature and the composition of the body and the idea, and it's becoming too dramatic. But it was a very interesting dialogue, and I hope I managed to put my imagination into it and to take it out and to use the body in a way that it doesn't look so artificial, and it's also trigger trigger other element in from perspective of audience. It's triggered me a lot actually. It opened a lot